Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, it's the world away. We now got issue 27 of Hachette Partworks, Build the Terminator. Okay, after the fiddly issue we had last time, not much to do in this one. As you can see, we have got another piece which we're not going to be using in this part. We're leaving that to the next part. But we have got some more ratchets here and a little detail that we're going to be putting on this section here, which came in the last issue, looking just like that. And we need to bring across this shoulder joint, looking just like that, because the detail is just going to be going on some section around here somewhere. Not sure where, we'll see that in a second. But as you can see, putting the ratchet on, there's the little detail, and there's the little detail going on the side of that shoulder joint there. And that's all we have to do in that issue. In the next issue, we've got another spring piece here. We've got like a shoulder blade by the look of it, and just some pieces again for that shoulder joint for the left-hand side. So that's going to be coming probably in the next couple of days, because I'm still playing catch-up, believe it or not. Other than that, let's get cracking. Okay, we're going to need some glue in this one, so I'm just squeezing some of my glue onto the box here. Make sure I've got enough. People do keep asking me, what glue am I using? The glue is called Glue It. It's vacuum sealed, so I can leave this top off if I wanted to and it won't dry out. And I get that from the Range stores in the UK, and it's £1 a tube. So that's where I get my glue from. We're going to need these two little ratchet sections here, and they are going to be going on this section here, just like last time. They're going to be fitting in just like that, so they're absolutely flush in there. But for that reason, we need to make sure that we're gluing the right parts of it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting some glue just around the metal here, rather than on the lug like they suggest. That way, I can ensure that it's going to hold itself in place. Because if you put it on the lug, you're not sure where the plastic's actually touching the metal here. And once this is sealed inside that joint unit, you're going to have issues if it comes off. So putting that in, boom, and that's in. So it's nice and flush on top there. So we're going to do the same to the other side. Putting this in. You can see what I mean about a nice quick issue now, can't you? How is everyone anyway? Did you like my video this morning for the Ecto 1? I thought I was planning that, having a scene from Ghost, the really sad crescendo of the scene from the movie, and then it culminates in the Ghostbusters busting Sam Wheats. But that was quite funny. I will have some more news of that on the end of November, because that's when I've got a meeting regarding it. So we'll see what's happening when it's coming out, and if I will get a collaboration on that. I haven't got a clue. I hope I will. So that's that shoulder piece bit done there. Okay, now we need to bring over this sprue. God, we've had sprues a lot this week, haven't we? And we've got two details on here to take off. So again, I'm using my trusty sprue cutters close to the edge there and getting these cut off. Now we have got a little bit of marking on there, but I don't think we're going to be able to get rid of that. I don't want to file it because it will make it even worse. So I'm going to leave that as it is at the moment. And we've got to take off the base of it as well, which is this section here. 1, 2. That's the base off. And as you can see, we've got two lugs inside there, and we've got the corresponding divots, if you like, on that section there. So this is just going to be going in just like that. So I'm going to put some glue in there, and this time I'm going to put the glue on these lugs in here where this is going to be holding it in place. Plenty of glue on there. Put this in, and then that's that detail in. Hold it in my hand. There we go. Nice and tight. That's in, looking just like that. And then all we have to do is take this shoulder joint from last time, and where we've got this bit of metal coming out the side, this thing's really heavy. Do you know that? I didn't realise that until I'm bringing it up. It's only a shoulder joint. I'm going to put glue either side of this, and then quite simply all we're doing is we've got a slot in here. See that? And that's just going to go over the top of that. So push that in, hold it in place, and there we go. That's that little detail on there. So from the top camera, that is that shoulder joint almost complete. Loads of details on it. As I said, it's really heavy. And that's all we have to do in that issue. So basically, we've got the shoulder joint here. we've got another joint for the left hand side here, and we've got this cover here, bracket, which we're not using until probably the next issue. So that's all there is to do in this issue. Before I go, I do want to say something that's funny, and it's not related to Hachette Partworks at all, and that is Build the DeLorean. There's going to be another Build the DeLorean video tomorrow, and believe it or not, I'm doing issue 140. For some reason, Eagle must like to do a bit of time travelling. I was meant to have issue 139 out last week, but it didn't come. Issue 140 did. So hopefully this week I'll get issue 139. If I don't, I'm going to have to try and chase that down. But we will be having another Terminator in the next couple of days, and that'll be issue 28. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. Take care.